3, 2, 1. It's recording.
Hey, you guys want a race?
No.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. What kind of car is that?
Tomorrow on one day, then we can race.
What kind of car is that?
Dodge. Stratus?
Piece of shit! Fuck this race right now.
Hey guys, just wait up. I gotta feed my fucking dragons. Oh!
Oh my god! Mom, can I buy this easy bake?
You wanna be a slut?
Hey Sophie, let's play fetch. What the hell?
What the hell should we get at Walmart?
You guys want a balloon? What the hell? Are you not getting enough pleasure from your RVs? You got pleasure on! You got RVs now, lots of pleasure! So I was driving down Nature Valley the other day and I was eating the strawberry yogurt. It was really good. And then anyways, there's a couple curves in the road. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with that. I was so live and active though, I didn't really care. And then this guy pulled up to me and he's like, "What up, Bob?" And I was like, "You can taste my sweet and salty nut if you have to say something about it." Are you sick of those truck names that you can pronounce? Like, come to a Suzo's! Come to Susie's! Come to Salvi's Salvador's house!
Came here to take this back. It doesn't work.
Hang yourself!
You dude, you're big.
Look at how happy I am standing next to this Suzuba! Suzuzi! Suzabu!
I fucking hate them now!
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Do you like snowplows? Or are you just a murderer? Because we got snowplows and dumb bodies at the Northern Truck Equipment Corp! Yeah!
The new horror movie of the year! Tickle my gobbler! Do you know how to spell leaf? Well, they sure in hell don't. Alright, today, making some ham. I don't know what the fuck it is, found it off the road, but yeah, we do that. Fucking need Crisco. Crisco, you always need fucking Crisco. Fucking put that shit on there. Wipe your ass! Oh!
Today, on Elk Hunting Adventures, we're gonna be getting a turkey. We're gonna hunt him down, and we will find him. It'll be nice. Get a nice sized buck today. Oh, there he is. I see him. I'm gonna go and get him.